Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to unbox this cool little gadget right here. If you're looking for a way to have the ability to magnetically connect your phone to things for recording videos, as well as just propping it up for watching content, perhaps, checking your emails, things like that. This little ring that we have right here in the box, guys, could be exactly what you're looking for. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. Now, of course, you're going to get the magnetic mount that we talked about. It does come with a small instruction manual that you'll be able to walk through. It'll give you some basic information on how to apply the magnetic ring if you're using this with a phone that does not have MagSafe. Now, those components you're going to find in this little bag here. So let me show you guys what all of that consists of. So you're going to have your wipe, your dry wipe. You're going to have a couple of these magnetic rings, as you guys see here. They give you a white one and they also give you a black one. This is some additional padding that you get here. And you get this frame to help you line this up on your phone in order to, get proper placement for the ring on your Android phone or whatever phone you have that doesn't currently have MagSafe, one of these magnets right here. And you guys can see really strong little magnets. All right, so let's take a look at what comes in this little kit. All right, guys, so this is the mount right here. Okay, so you can see how thin it is. It's all metal. It does have the magnets here on the back. It also has a magnet right here. This is completely adjustable. So you could use this like your standard loop, where you put your fingers through while you're holding the phone. Of course, you could do that. Let's just go ahead and connect it to this iPhone right here. As you guys can see, the magnet is very strong. So if you wanted to hold it in this type of orientation, no problem. But what really makes this shine, guys, is the ability to adjust this and use this like a little stand. So if you wanted to set your phone up for watching content, in a landscape orientation or even in a portrait orientation, check this out. You could just bring this down like so, and then you'd be able to set it up in a portrait orientation as well. And you can get that pretty close to being almost perfect. Let's see if we get that right about there. Okay, so now we have this flat on the desk, as you guys can see here. That's going to give you a lot of stability, for holding the phone in this orientation. And then, of course, this does rotate on the magnet, so you can just rotate this around 360 degrees if you want to. And like I said before, these are magnets, so that means you can still connect this to a variety of different things. Like if you're at the gym and you are working out and you want to be able to document your workout, this will connect to most metal gym equipment. If you're doing a tutorial, maybe you're doing a cooking video or you're learning how to cook and you want to connect this to the refrigerator or something like that so you can watch content and follow along while you're cooking, that really comes in handy. So let me show you guys. As you see, I'm working to take this thing off of this phone case, right? Now, like I said, this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, so this one does have MagSafe. But again, if your phone does not have MagSafe, you just use those little rings. Now, you will have to remove this when it comes time to wirelessly charge your phone because you won't be able to charge it up. Now, one of the things that I did notice when I first got this, the hinges are very strong, so it doesn't feel like loose or cheap or anything like that. You got to put in some effort, guys, to adjust this, which, trust me, is a good thing. All right, guys, so I just wanted to really show you guys this cool little ring, MagSafe ring that you can add to your iPhone or any phone out there, guys, to be able to have some really cool things that you can do with it and really expand your workflow. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.